in Lahore High Court
बचेंगी नहीं ना जब तक रिजर्व सीट होंगी नहीं.
जी
इसका मतलब ये है कि there is a time limit for distribution of the reserve seats.
There's a very detailed judgment specifically on this point by Justice Shahid Waheed when he was at the Lahore High Court. I'll refer to that judgment.
But how do you identify an independent? For purposes of the provision that we are talking about, how do you identify an independent?
An independent candidate is a person who did not contest the election on a party platform.
Read relevant section 67. 67 of the Act.
Usme, why do you say that? On what basis are you saying that?
'67. Contested elections and allotment of symbols. If after withdrawal, if any, there are more than one contesting candidates in the constituency, the returning officer...
Direct 3 पे आ जाए.
जी? 3 पे आ जाऊं? A candidate not nominated by any political party hereafter called as independent candidate shall choose and shall be allocated one of the symbols not allocated to any political party.
The person who is not affiliated with any party, he is...
May I request Justice Jamal to use the mic?
The person who did not file any certificates from any party, certificate of affiliation, that person is called independent. Otherwise, दो ही कैटेगरी.
जरा सा आगे पढ़िएगा. And shall be allotted one of the symbols not allotted to any political party.
वो अलग बात है.
तो symbol भी बहुत important है. So there are two conditions.
हम इस वक्त आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि independent
kindly come to the annex to this.
Independent की.
Annex to the statute. Form A जो है ना, उसको उस पे आइए ना.
जी. कौन सा वाला फॉर्म सर? कोई
Form A. Election Act का जो है. Form A. इसमें देखिए, इसमें जो नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म आता है
जी,
वो है फॉर असेंबली सेनेट, फिर है फॉर सेनेट इलेक्शन, फिर आइए डिक्लेरेशन एंड ओथ ऑफ पर्सन नॉमिनेटेड.
जी,
इसको जरा काइंडली पढ़िए.
स्टार्टिंग में लिखा है डू नॉट बिलोंग टू एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी.
इसको जरा काइंडली पढ़ें.
सर,
I, the above named candidate, do hereby declare on oath that अब Roman 2 पढ़ेंगे. Have you got?
सर, फॉर्म ए को आप कर रहे हैं?
फॉर्म ए में देखिए, फॉर्म ए में लिखा है ना, नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म फॉर इलेक्शन टू एन.
जी.
Then the next is for Senate election only.
जी.
Then it is
a declaration. सही. I, the above named candidate, hereby declare on oath that I have consented to the
one छोड़ दे,
Roman 2. I belong dash the name of the political party.
And आगे बढ़ें.
And a certificate from the political party showing that I am a party candidate from the above constituency is attached, or I do not belong to any political party.
So, if a person files a nomination paper saying I belong to party X,
yes,
and attaches the certificate from that political party, because we are, for this clause, we are only concerned with political parties. So which says that yes, he is our candidate. That person is not an independent candidate.
Yes.
He is a candidate of a political party.
Yes.
Only that person who has made a declaration, I do not belong to any political party.
Yes.
Now, the question is that you have told us yesterday that all of these candidates who are now with you in your camp, they filed their nomination papers, and in those nomination papers, they made declarations that they belong to PTI.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
This is what the statute says.
Yes.
It doesn't say you need to have a symbol.
Yes.
Election symbol. All it says is you need to have that party affiliation.
Yes.
Those nomination papers, as I understand it, but kindly correct me if I've got it wrong, were never repudiated by PTI, nor were they rejected by definition by anyone, because they went through the scrutiny process, and those people naturally stood for election and they got elected. Surely, as a matter of law, I applying the Principal Parent Act, all of those persons were PTI returned candidates. How can rule-making power of the Election Commission, especially in the context of Rule 94, go against the parent statute and impose this additional condition of election symbol?
Yes.
Where does that come from?
Yes.
Does it come from the principal act or not?
Yes.
This
ये
is
बात
the
कल से
thing.
मैं कल से यही बात समझा
मैं अब इन दोनों का जवाब दे दूं।
एक ही जवाब।
अगर आप फॉर्म 33 देख लें विद द इलेक्शन रूल्स,
That is just कि election symbol किसको allocate होना है।
बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो मैं आपको ऑर्डर दिखाऊंगा इलेक्शन कमीशन।
But the principal
I'll come to that. I'll come to
Principal
that.
Act doesn't say that. All that the Principal Act requires is, it is assumed, it is implicit that they will all be participating on the same election symbol. But in the very peculiar facts of this case, of this general election, that didn't happen. But the question is, to my mind is, does that nullify what is written as a matter of law in the parent statute itself? Can rule-making power negate the parent statute? Can it be inconsistent when all that is required as per Form A? This is not a form made by ECP. Under the old law, they used to make the form. There is Parliament that has done that. All that is required is give us that form, make that declaration, give us the, that's it. Election symbol is
67 से
कौन सा फॉर्म कह रहे थे जी?
Sir, I will answer this question by first explaining to your lordship what actually happened. Sir, Form 33.
फॉर्म 30
पहले मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूं एक्चुअली हुआ क्या, फिर मैं इस सवाल पे आता हूं।
इसमें से एक जो अभी इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्कशन है व्हिच आई एम फॉलोइंग।
सर, आपका वैसे वो सवाल रह गया था फैक्ट्स का नंबर 2 का।
नहीं, बिकॉज आप
यू हैव बीन वेरी ग्रेशियस कि आप
नहीं, अब इसी पे हैं तो इसी पे रहिए। तो इससे तो जाहिर ये होता है, अगर हम 67(3) और फॉर्म ए को पढ़ें
जी,
तो जो लोग हमारे सामने नहीं है
जी,
जिनका आप कह रहे हैं मैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं
जी,
वो तो सारे पीटीआई के हैं
जी।
वो तो फिर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी छोड़ रहे हैं, ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो इंडिपेंडेंट के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आ नहीं पाएंगे। वो तो फिर एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के मेंबरान हैं, वो आपको ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते, वो इंडिपेंडेंट में नहीं आ रहे हैं। ये मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ। ठीक, क्या गलत है तो बता दीजिए जी।
डिफेक्शन क्लॉज नहीं लगेगी फिर?
नहीं, मेरा नहीं ख्याल के लगेगी। I'll come to, 1 मिनट में कंप्लीट कर लूं फैक्ट्स, फिर मैं इस सवाल पे आता
तो मैं सारे वो फैक्ट्स खत्म करना चाह रहा था, मगर आप
नहीं, मैं तो सिर्फ बस मैं ये चीज कर दूं, then I'll come to that. Number 2. I'm sorry.
So I think the question then revolves around if they were in these forms declared as PTI candidates, subsequently on account of the loss of the symbol, they could not contest the election as PTI candidates because they could not show themselves as PTI candidates through the symbol, election symbol. So then on what basis did the Election Commission allocate them separate symbols, giving them the opportunity to contest the election as independents?
Yes.
Because the Election Commission did give them symbols and said go ahead and contest them.
Yes.
So they recognized them as independent candidates and said here are your independent symbols, please go and so is there a form for that? Yes. Because at the end of the day what matters is the manner in which all this proceeded, and since the Election Commission has not disputed this position and has allowed them to contest the election as independents, then they, remaining within the framework of the Constitution, joined a political party as independents.
Yes. Not only did the Election Commission allow them, but I would show from the order of the Election Commission, your ladyship, actually forced them to run as independents.
The question which my lord
compelling circumstances are relevant here.
The question which my
the point is, the reason for that, why that happened, it seems to me, is that there was an intervening event.
Yes.
And that event was that the denial to the political party of the election symbol, which was upheld finally by the Supreme Court and affirmed. The Election Commission could not deny that they were members of a political party because of this form.
Yes.
But they couldn't allocate an election symbol to them because of the judgment.
Yes.
The only possible course then was to allocate a symbol which was not given to any other political party.
Yes.
And that's all that happened.
It denied them both.
This answer is
Question to you is, does that change their status and make them independent?
Let me first show to your lordship what happened, and then I'll answer the question. पहले मैं दिखा दूं कि क्या हुआ actually.
लॉ पे जरा चलें, 67(2) अगर पढ़ेंगे, 67(2) पढ़ लें जरा.
सर अगर आप देख लेते हुआ क्या है तो
एक मिनट के होने को बाद में देखें. जैसे माय लॉर्ड जस्टिस मुनीर साहब ने कहा कि इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास क्या ये इख्तियार था कि जो दो फरीक राजी होते हैं कि मैं आपका कैंडिडेट, वो कह ठीक आप मेरा कैंडिडेट, तो क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको
ये हुआ नहीं. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ क्या
जरा 2 पढ़ लें.
जी 67(2)
जी
सिंबल का मामला है
जी. इन रिकॉर्डिंग द वोट
कैंडिडेट
67(2)
section okay. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the commission to the political party under the provisions of chapter 12 and no other symbol.
प्रिस्क्राइब का जिक्र है इसमें
जी.
प्रिस्क्राइब.
But the election commission itself withdrew that symbol.
67
and gave them independent candidate symbol. So what is the debate here?
What the act assumes is that at all times a person, a candidate nominated by a political party shall contest the election under that election symbol. And that's all that it's trying to do and control. But if for whatever reason the election commission withdraws that symbol, that is contested, attains finality, can the election commission then turn around and say, you can't contest the election, you are not a member of that political party? It can't, it seems to me, say that, because Form A of the parent statute says he is. Therefore, the only option left was the practical solution created by the election commission of a problem created by the election commission itself, was to give him a symbol of other than his own political party, which he couldn't,
which is
and
mentioned
any other political party which he couldn't get, and there were any other symbol.
It's not what the election commission did.
इसमें एक और बात भी है.
One section 1 में
सर अगर वो आप ऑर्डर नहीं देखेंगे ये चीज समझ में नहीं आएगी.
फैसल साहब आपकी क्या पोजीशन है? What is your legal position here? You contest the election independently or you were the candidate of PTI?
सर मैं आपको एक ऑर्डर
देखें ना, इसका बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है.
मेरी पोजीशन समझ में नहीं आएगी.